you are watching this video, then chances are high that you are already frustrated. Many people face image upload errors in Google AI Studio, especially when building AI generated websites and apps. You uploaded an image in Google AI Studio. You clearly told it where to place the image. But instead of your image, something else appears, or the image doesn't change at all, or it shows a similar image but not the one you selected. So if you are facing this issue, you are not alone. This one is most common and misunderstood problem when building AI generated websites using Google AI Studio. In this very short troubleshooting video, only for who are facing this issue, I'm going to show you the exact reliable method that actually works. If you are facing image upload issues in AI Studio, watch till the end and subscribe to the channel. This will fix it permanently. So let's understand first the concept. The reason this image issue happens is simple. There is a difference between giving AI an image to see and giving a website an image to display. When you upload a JPG or PNG file in Google AI Studio, the image is not only used as input for an AI to understand. The AI can analyze it, describe it, or read text from it. But that uploaded files is stored privately and temporarily. It does not get a public web address. So when the AI generates the website code, it has no valid image URL to place in the image tag in your backend of your website, in your coding. That's why image breaks and don't appear. When you give an image link, you are giving a permanent address. The AI simply uses that link in the website and the browser displays the image perfectly. That's why builds fail with uploads but works perfectly with links. In short, you just have to upload any image link whichever you want to put in your website or app, not the particular JPG or PNG file. Google AI Studio needs only links. Now let me show you how to do this in real time. This is my website I have made in the Google AI Studio and I want to change the first image. So I will go to the free image website, whatever you want, choose the image, and I like this one, and just copy the direct image link. Right click and you will get the image URL. Now I will come back to Google AI Studio, paste that particular image link, and clearly instruct it to replace the first section image, whichever section image you want to change, with this link. And I'm just giving this prompt, and within a few seconds it will be done. And yes, now you can see the perfect image has come to this, which we have seen in that particular website. You can see the image is perfectly uploaded. Now let's change the second image. The same process again. I will copy the chosen image link and pasting it in Google AI Studio. Give a clear instruction. And let's see. Okay, it's done. You can see the perfect image is uploaded and exchanged with our link. This way you can replace any image on your website one by one without errors. Now, what if your images are sorted on your laptop or mobile and you don't have any image link? In that case, just move all your images to your Gmail Google Drive. You will be having your Gmail, in that you will have a drive. So just upload by this way. Just select your image, open your Google Drive and upload on that one by one or with together. Now once uploaded, select the image you want to use for your website. Just click on that image, open the share option. Here just change the access to anyone with the link. Now copy that link, come to the Google AI Studio, paste the link and clearly tell replace the required image section. And by this link, Google AI Studio will change your particular image. You can see this. Same way, let's change another image. I am just copying the link from my Google Drive, pasting it in Google AI Studio, giving the instruction, and you can see it updates perfectly. This is how you can replace any image anytime without errors. I hope this video was helpful, and using this method, you will be able to solve image issues in Google AI Studio easily. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. and share this video with anyone who is facing the same issue. You can also join my Telegram channel for regular updates, tips, and prompts. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.